Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to download Google Doc file. So let's begin our video. So here you can see, I just opened my Google document and I already edited. Here you can see I type something, Google Doc file, download Google Doc file. So this file I want to download. So how can I download it? So first of all, click on file on the top and then there have a option download. So after select download, you can see there have a lot of option. You can select it and download it. Just select file, select download, and select your format. If you want to download PDF, just select PDF, or if you want to download as a doc, select doc. I want to download PDF, select PDF. So here you can see it's download. So in this way, you can download Google Doc file to your PC or laptop. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching.